So you want to invest but have zero clue where to start? Have you ever scrolled through endless financial jargon online, feeling completely lost? Investing can be intimidating, especially for beginners. But what if I told you there are platforms designed to make it easy, even with a small amount of money? Today, we're diving into Betterment, a popular robo-advisor known for its user-friendly approach. We'll crack the code on minimum deposits, fees, and everything you need to know about getting started with Betterment. Now, before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. How much do you actually need to start investing with Betterment? Cut the mystery, minimum deposit myth busted. There's a common misconception that investing requires a hefty chunk of cash up front. But fear not, future financial wizards. Betterment doesn't have a minimum balance requirement for your investment account. That's right, you can open an account with literally $0. However, there's a small catch when it comes to actually making your first deposit. Due to limitations with bank transfers, the minimum deposit amount is $10. Think of it as your investment initiation fee, a tiny price to pay to unlock a world of financial possibilities. Making the most of your money, understanding Betterment's fees. While the minimum deposit is low, there are fees associated with Betterment services. They charge a management fee based on your account balance. This fee covers their automated investing strategies and portfolio management. Here's a quick breakdown. Digital plan, 0.25% annually. This is their basic plan, perfect for beginners. It provides automated investing and portfolio rebalancing based on your risk tolerance. Premium plan, 0.4% annually, with a $100,000 minimum balance. This plan offers everything in the digital plan, plus access to a dedicated certified financial planner professional for personalized advice. Finding the perfect fit, choosing your Betterment account. Betterment offers a variety of accounts to suit your financial goals. Here are the main options. Individual investing accounts, grow your wealth for long-term goals like retirement or a down payment on a house. IRA accounts, invest for retirement with tax advantages. HSA accounts, save for medical expenses with a triple tax benefit. Contributions are tax-deductible, grow tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free for qualified medical expenses. Beyond investing, cash reserve and checking. Betterment isn't just about investing. They also offer cash reserve, a high-yield savings account currently offering a 5% APY, annual percentage yield. This is a great place to park your emergency fund or any money you need easy access to. The wrap-up, investing made simple with Betterment. Betterment removes the barriers to entry for new investors. With a low minimum deposit and a user-friendly platform, it's a great option for anyone who wants to start building their wealth. Remember, consistency is key. Even small, regular deposits can add up significantly over time. So, is Betterment the right fit for you? If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing with a low barrier to entry, then it's definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.